Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to exclude specific file extensions and languages from the Format on Save feature in Visual Studio Code. Whether you're working with files you don't want auto-formatted or certain languages that need different settings, I'll walk you through the steps to customize your setup. Let's get started. To exclude specific file extensions or languages from the Format on Save feature in Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. Open the command palette, Ctrl plus Shift plus P, and type Preferences. Open Settings. In the Settings tab, click on the Open Settings, JSON. In the settings.json file, add the following configuration to disable Format on Save for specific languages or file extensions. For example, to exclude Python, to exclude by file extension, for example, txt, use the file's .association setting along with the format exclusion. This will ensure that Format on Save is disabled for the specified languages or file types. That's it. You've learned how to exclude specific file types and languages from Format on Save in VSCode. This can save you from unwanted changes while keeping your workflow efficient. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.